Did you know if you double click on the dialer, you can redial the last number in your Android phone? Did you know the fastest way to switch between tabs in mobile Google Chrome application is to swipe on the address bar? In today's video, we are going to see 10 Android secret tips and tricks that are very useful and can save a lot of time if you use it rightly. So watch till the end of the video, it's going to be interesting.
Hello friends, my name is Shrudin VS. Technology is a thing of today and tomorrow. So let's mesmerize in technology. Welcome to my channel, Techmerize.
If you're someone who gets irritated by notifications in your mobile phone, this trick is for you. There is an easy way to block notifications from a specific application. Just hold for a few seconds on the notification. From then and there, you can block all the notifications from that app. But sometimes we can't block notifications from certain apps like Facebook or WhatsApp because we may miss something very important. For all those people, there is an efficient way to block notification. Go to App Info, Notification Settings, where you can select specific type of notifications you want to see from that application. For example, in WhatsApp, if you want notification of only direct message and don't want group messages, you can do that using this trick. If you regularly access a specific settings in your phone like battery usage, do not disturb, etc., you can save a lot of time by creating a home screen shortcut of that settings in Android. Just touch and hold on home screen, go to widgets, hold and drag the settings shortcut to home screen. Now select which settings you need to create a shortcut to. There are a lot of options here, explore it for yourself. If you swiped out any notification by mistake and want to see what is the notification and from which application, you can see that from notification log. But it's not directly accessible. Just create a settings shortcut of notification log using the last trick we discussed. From there you can see the notification details. You can view the content of the notification too, but it's a bit difficult to read what the content of the notification is. The next trick is based on Google Chrome. If you want to browse a website several times in a day, what we usually do is go to web browser and search there. But what if you can do that with a single touch in your home screen? You can save a lot of time here. Go to 3 dots in the right top corner of Google Chrome after visiting that website. Click Add to Home Screen. Now you have a custom shortcut of your favorite website in your mobile phone. Now we have seen several shortcuts that will save a lot of time if you use it wisely. But whatever we have seen is just a tip of an iceberg. Several applications in your phone supports application shortcuts. Just touch and hold on any application. If it supports shortcuts, it will show an option to create shortcuts there itself. If you use lot of apps at the same time like browse Facebook and message in WhatsApp and play a game and you don't want a specific app not to flush out of the RAM, there is an option for that too. Go to recently used apps and click on lock app. So when you do this, the system will try to not to clear that app no matter what. This is our last trick in this video. If your friend is borrowing your phone to make a call or something and you don't want your friend to look around other things like your personal messages or gallery, there is an option for that. Just screen pin the applications you want him to use. He will not be able to use any other applications other than that. If you want to take an application out of screen pinning, you need to provide security code or fingerprint or face unlock in your phone.
So that's it friends. If you found this video interesting, please share with your friends. If you want to support my channel, click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified about the latest tech videos whenever I upload. Goodbye and see you in the next video.